Hello, my name is Voya and welcome to My Deep Guide. Today is a different video. It's like an announcement video, but not about product news, and it's not about a product of any sort. It's just an idea that I had and something that I want to try out in regards to My Deep Guide. And for those who are familiar with it, I wanted to establish, and I established a My Deep Guide Discord server to serve as like a gathering point to try and build up a community around our common interest, which is basically these kind of devices, and then also kind of hang out, talk, and build a community around this. Because My Deep Guide is now at 33,500 subscribers, which is like really cool and a lot. And I think that that's enough to get a certain percentage of people who may be actually interested in this to become a part of community, because Discord servers, unlike the traditional Facebook and groups and all that kind of stuff, Discord offers a filtered type of an audience and a filtered and focused type of a community, which is, at least in my experience, infinitely more valuable, fun, and engaging than what I find on Facebook groups. Even closed Facebook groups, they can be way too toxic and just simply negative and repetitive and things like that. While Discord is, because it originates from gamers and streamers, it's centered around playfulness, right? So that's one of the things that I really love about Discord. So for those who are already aware and they know what Discord is, then you know what to expect, but you will see an overview now of the very empty My Deep Guide server, but the channels that are set up, everything pretty much, the standard stuff to start with. And for those who are not familiar with what Discord is, what Discord server is, what does that mean, now that's the second part of this video, basically describes and shows you what a Discord is. And here's how the My Deep Guide server, Discord server, looks like. If you're not acquainted with Discord, this is basically the interface, how it looks like. Right now it's totally empty, but as people start to kind of join in and whoops, I'm going into a voice thingy, but as you start writing, then the messages start appearing here, and then you can contribute, then you can use it either as a forum or as threads that you can follow, unfollow, and things like that. The whole point about Discord is that it can build a community centered around a common center of interest. Now, granted, there are, of course, Facebook groups, and you can use Instagram and things like that, but those are platforms that I don't really personally prefer because they're very distracting, and they do build a type of community, but it's a different type of a community. And personally, this is what I wanted to just try out and see, because in my experience, Discord communities, if they live up then and start to thrive, then they can be something rather special. So right now, it's completely empty because I just established it and it's not even up and running yet. But yeah, you will have, once you get your invite and you join, if you decide to join, then you will have your channels on the left side, and then you can simply go into the channel that you want, and then you start writing and participating in discussions. The welcome channel will consist out of welcome and rules. Typically, you will not be able to add any comments or anything like that. These are simply there to kind of give you the welcome information, resources, where to find what, and the rules are, of course, rules of behavior and how to conduct yourself in the community on the My Deep Guide Discord server. Then we have the My Deep Guide collection, where you will have videos and updates. Again, you will not be able to participate in this one other than with reactions and stickers and emotes. And this is where I will be posting the news regarding upcoming videos, links to the videos that come that are released online, and also some of the updates regarding the My Deep Guide, what I'm currently working on, news, or anything like that. And then finally we have the two collections where the users and the members can actually participate participate. And the first one is questions. So I wanted to keep questions as a completely separate collection just to not overcrowd the general talk. And basically we have questions. You will have separate channels for MDO. So if you have questions for My Daily Organizer, this is where you will post them. For Remarkable, Supernote, Books, Kobo, Quirk Logic, and other, right? So that we have like a nice sorting place where people can post questions, reply to those questions, the community can help people as well, tips and tricks, etc., etc. Then finally we have the text channels, general channel. This is basically where just general chit chat happens. And then we have memes, because you gotta have memes, they're great. So this is where we dump our memes depending on what we want to do. The server also has a general voice chat where you are able to actually engage into a voice chat with other members if you want to have a conversation or something like that. And of course we have music. This is something that I and admins, if there are any admins in the future, will be able to just kind of play some music if we're hanging out and if there's a particularly good session happening. The cool thing about the Discord is that it's possible to organize video events, audio events, and things like that. And also I'm able to stream directly in Discord, etc., etc. So as the community builds, we will figure it out together. What is it that you guys enjoy? What is it that I enjoy? And my goal is simply to let's try and form a little bit of a community here that's outside of those established social networking kind of channels, which are they are simply a different focus. This is more of a traditional kind of forum, like very tight-knit community for people who choose and for people who like to do that. Now Discord can work in a web browser. It can be downloaded and installed as Windows or a Mac OS app like a program, and also it works on Android or OS X, so iPhone, iPad, Android phone, Android tablet. You will find an app, and Discord can run on any of these. So that's a really cool thing to kind of keep in mind. And yeah, that's basically it. So what's my hope and why the reason behind this? As I said, I wanted to try to create a community behind this and see what happens. And also I wanted to get a centralized place where the users and the viewers of My Deep Guide can post focused questions, because I plan to start introducing like on a semi-regular basis. I still don't know if it's going to be twice a month or maybe once a week if there's that many questions or something like that. But basically like a Q&A video, and to collect a series of questions and then reply to these questions. And I was considering doing that like collecting from videos, from comments and videos, but it's simply too much. It's scattered too much around, and that's why I will probably miss some of the questions. And for me personally, it made more sense to actually centralize it on a platform like this, and then I have like questions that are listed. I know which one I've replied to. I'll mark the ones that I've replied to, and then I'll make an announcement. Hey, some of the questions are going to be replied, etc., etc. So those are the ideas, and that's basically the idea behind it. I'm going to keep it fairly open for now because it's a completely fresh platform and I've never ran a Discord server before. Expect hiccups and clumsiness and things like that until I encounter errors and mistakes, and I'm able to learn from those, correct them, and make things better and better as the time goes on. But so that's the idea behind the My Deep Guide Discord server, to try and build a community, a fun place to hang, chill out, meet people, exchange ideas, exchange things, just, a nice community to be a part of. So if you're interested in something like that, then please, by all means, you are more than welcome to join. You can follow down either this link here or the link down in the description. It's the same link. You simply click on it. There's a redirect for 2 or 3 seconds, and it redirects you to the invitation that you actually then get. And if you're an existing Discord user, well, you just click and then you join the My Deep Guide server. And if you are not, then you first register your Discord user, and then you join in, accept the invitation, and then you will automatically become a member of the brand new mydeepguide Discord server. All of you guys are welcome, and I hope to see plenty of you there so that we can have this kind of a community thing to build up and grow and establish its own thing to see what it grows into. Please bear with me that early adopters, and when you actually just start joining in, it's going to be fairly empty to begin with because it's brand spanking new, and also expect that I'm going to make some mistakes because I have not ran a Discord server before. So I do have some previous experience with moderation, administration, and all that kind of stuff, so that part I do know. But, you know, it's a new platform for me, at least to run it. So I expected I'm going to make at least some mistakes that I'm hopefully going to learn from in the future, not to repeat them. I hope that you liked the video, and I hope that I see a lot of you in the mydeepguide Discord server. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye.